Good morning, dear students, and welcome to the first class of 2021. Dear students, our topic is adverbs. Now, all of you have studied about action words, and for your new year, you have made certain resolutions also that in this new year, I will do this. Like in this new year, I will obey my parents. In this new year, I will study well. So there are action words means that you have thought like I will do this, I will do this, I will do this. But you can do 100 and 200 work. But how you do them, that is more important. Like you will say, Miss, I will learn 5 words. And if I ask you next day, now tell me the spelling of the 5 words, then you are not able to answer. Then this way you don't have to do the work. You have to do the work properly, and how the work is done, that is called adverbs. So our topic for today is adverbs. Like she spoke politely. She spoke rudely. Now in both the sentences, action word is spoke. Spoke. But how the action is taking place? Politely. Rudely. So politely and rudely are adverbs. They tell us about the action words. So dear students, remember, whatever you do it happily, cheerfully and seriously. Okay? Good morning, students, and a very happy new year to all of you. Dear students, now we have stepped into 2021 and all of us are thinking, what will we do in this new year? Oh, everyone says, God, make this new year be very happy for me. Oh God, bless me in this new year. So everyone wants to be happy, to be safe and to be good in this new year. But what if you want to be happy, you have to do certain things, and that is why we make certain resolutions that we will be happy and make others happy also in this new year. So here are some of the new year resolutions that I have made for myself. Number 1 is I will do all my work happily. Okay, this is my New Year's resolution. I will do my work happily. Number 2 is I will talk politely with others. Okay, I will talk politely with others. I will write carefully. In my work, there should be no mistake. After writing, I will check my work and do all my work carefully. I will keep my things neatly. My clothes, my dresses, my books, copies, my bag, everything I will keep neatly in their place. And I will obey my parents cheerfully. If my parents tell me anything, I will happily obey them. Okay, so these are my New Year resolutions. If I want to be happy, I have to follow these. I know if I follow these, then only God will bless me and others will also be happy with me, and I will also be happy with myself. I will be happy only if I complete my work on time, and if my room is neat and tidy, then only I will be happy. And if I help others, if I speak politely, then only I will be happy. So in your adverbs, this is the first chapter. So now let us study carefully, read the words carefully, okay, And dear students, this year all of you make a resolution that first you will get up early every day. New year has started. Make a resolution. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. So make this a new year resolution. Get up early. And pay attention to what we are studying. So, adverbs. Now look at the pictures and then read the sentences which are given. The first is, a tortoise walks slowly. Now, a tortoise walks slowly. Which is the action word here? Walks. Action word is walks. And how does the tortoise walks? Slowly. So, adverbs are words which tell us about the verb or action words. They describe the action words, how the action is taking place. So, how does a tortoise walk? A tortoise walks slowly. So, slowly is an adverb. Number 2, Jaya writes neatly. Jaya writes neatly. Action word is writes. And how does she write? She writes neatly. So, adverb is neatly. They decorated the tree beautifully. Decorated is action word. And how did they decorate the tree? Beautifully. So, beautifully is telling about or describing the verb decorated. So, beautifully is adverb. He whispered quietly. How did he whisper? He whispered quietly. So, quietly is adverb. Quietly is adverb. Whispered is action word. Quietly is adverb. He laughed loudly. Action word is laughed and loudly is adverb. The plane landed safely. Landed is action word and safely is telling how the plane landed. It is describing the action word. So, safely is adverb. Okay. So, I hope you have understood that adverbs describe the verbs. Tell us how the action is taking place. So, in this first picture, we are describing the verbs or action words, and we will underline the verbs or action words. A tortoise walks slowly. Jaya writes neatly. He whispered quietly. These are the action words or verbs. Walks, writes, whispered. Now, words that tell us how an action happened are called adverbs, and most adverbs end in ly. So, remember that. You have learned about action words. Now, the words which describe the action words or tell us how the action happened are called adverbs. Now, a tortoise walks slowly. Now, how does he walk? Slowly. So, slowly is adverb. Jaya writes neatly. Neatly is adverb. He whispered quietly. Quietly is adverb. Some more examples. The boy sang softly. How did the boy sing? How did the boy sing? Action word is sang here, and it is in past tense. The boy sang. How did he Sing softly. He sang softly. So softly is adverb. The son followed the mother closely. How did the son follow the mother? The son followed the mother closely. So closely is adverb. She ate the oranges slowly. What is the girl word ate? Which is the action word? Ate. And how did she eat? Slowly. So slowly is adverb. The soldier fought bravely. The soldier fought bravely. Fought is action word. Fought. Past tense of fight is fought. So fought bravely. The word which is telling us about how did he fight is bravely. So bravely is adverb. So important thing you must remember, adverbs describe verbs and adjectives describe nouns. So you have studied about adjective. You know adjectives are also called describing words or because they describe the nouns. And adverbs, they tell us about the verbs. They describe the verbs. So here by examples, you can read what is adjective and what is adverb. So adjective describe nouns. In the first sentence, she is a cheerful girl. Girl is noun here. And how is the girl? Cheerful. So cheerful is adjective. Now second sentence, she did her work cheerfully. Now cheerfully is describing the work of that girl, the action of that girl. So cheerfully is adverb. Cheerful is adjective. Cheerfully is adverb. Now, second one, adjective, she is a lazy girl. She is a lazy girl. Lazy is adjective. Lazy is describing the girl. How is the girl? Lazy. Now, adverb, she did her work lazily. It is describing the work of the girl. How did the girl do her work? She did her work lazily. So lazily is adverb, lazy is adjective. So always remember, adjective describe nouns and adverbs describe verbs. Okay, adverbs describe verbs, adjectives describe nouns. And always remember, an adverb never describes a noun. So thank you and have a nice day.